Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Should I cover my cake in the oven? You don't want to make the cake soggy, but make sure you cover the whole surface of the cake. This will quickly soak in and start to cook with the still hot cakes. You must do this as soon as they are out of the oven, otherwise your cakes will definitely get soggy. How do you cover when baking? Baking sheets may take up a bit of additional real estate on your stovetop, but they'll provide cover to almost any pot or pan, and they'll get the job done. Just be sure to use oven mitts or dish towels when you remove the baking sheet. It'll heat up quickly as the steam from your food rises. What happens if you cover a warm cake? It's ill-advised to cover hot or warm baked goods using traditional wrappings, plastic, tin foil, etc. Steam and/or condensation will form, even if there's just a bit of warmth emanating, and this will result in soggy cake, cookies, brownies, pie.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.